Let's go there. Share the video, guys. Segbe. Let's go there. Out of my drinks. How are you? Share the videos. Share this video. Uncle, this cut on really, my brother. Agua. Come on your feet. Genesis, the body. I said, and I went to your name. So what? Hallelujah, he said. We are your wow, we are your way, we are your wine, we are your way, we are your wow, we are your dad. I'm your one, I'm your baby. I'm out. I'm your four, I'm your baby. You like a sauce. Now you're back in this. We are in a mosaic. Or they are the Nazareth. And I won't say when. Give me my way. Oh, ya botaba, si es que no sabía cómo el globo, no se ve. Ay, yo no, yo ni sé. Ay, yo no, yo ni sé. Ya vivo así. Ay, yo no, yo ni sé. Aunque no me Let's go there. I don't want you. Your bestie get bestie. My bestie get bestie. Yeah, my you. Life no be hard. Ogogoro no be Coca-Cola. Waiting Papa see. Waiting Papa see. Papa here. If you are your bestie, secret. I beg you, my bestie. Don't say anybody. You forget say your bestie get bestie. That bestie, you get another bestie. Oh yeah, let's go there. Before you know, everywhere done pause. I don't know your easy. Let's go there. Well, no, where you are. I see another phone. New Year is going to be bomb. It was scatter New Year. Many people use cry at New Year. Now we run around. Hey, sister, I don't know. They are making out here. No day. Not making out you. No day. They are making out you. Not making out you. They are making out you. No day, no day. No day, so no day. Oh, Agabagebe. Oh, Gary and Rossi. Alright, check this video. We are carrying this broadcast here, live and direct. We are not going to YouTube now. We are going to do this video here at the Young Creator. So share this video, follow this page. Let's go there. Yes, my lovely people, I greet you all with better star water already. I see one of this is from Victor Umewan, one of the leader, the social media king, the social media kubaran, the social media Otutomono, the social media Abieyuwa, the social media Akobisi. Runda, Eraya no sika Akobisi, edokpayi, my baba with a smile. I just do my drink. I want you. Alright, my people, I greet you all. For those of you watching this broadcast right now, you will see some of the pictures we did in my platform. The picture you see upstairs here. The woman on black, that is Abieyuwa Ijose. The evil woman that you see up there. The woman on red with Guo is the mother of Abieyuwa. Is the evil woman from Obiebo family. Is the woman that normally sleep next to the shrine. Everybody they go work in the morning, they go shrine. Is the woman that always do jazz for the children. Is the woman that will buy another person's picking to make sure say you grow. That is Abieyuwa. The other one you see there is Abieyuwa auntie. The other one you see there is Abieyuwa's brother. Brother, sisters. Yeah, that's a sister. Now, the only little prego you see down here, you will see one woman here with Boboriga suit. You understand? This one button down suit, Boboriga, which the belly letter button the suit. You understand? Not be say button with the suit not plenty, but because of the Esther belly, because of the dido better, because of the better, the belly letter cover button the suit with the Agboka no yoko shoe we wear. No, Agboka shoe we wear for the leg shoe. That is Iyego. That is Vera. Vera Osazuwa. Now be this one so. Now, my lovely people, I greet you all with better stuff. First of all, let me talk to you guys first. Share this video about the video that people have been sending to me, and for those of my loving fans who have been calling me concerning the recording that Abieyuwa is arranging and replaying. You understand? All those people where
Abieyuwa, they go, they record them. When they feed, when they give money to people, when Abieyuwa they give money to, where Abieyuwa they arrange, they record them, make they come and talk. Those people are not my family members. Those people are not my family members. Abieyuwa, I don't know where they dey. Abieyuwa, I don't know where for this arrange them, I don't know where for see them, where they call. Where they call, they give them on social media. When they do saga. That is not my business. You understand? But for this platform, we be this so. And me will tell them, say, see the one will be my brother. See the one will be my brother. If my brother talk, I didn't know him. Who not be my brother? If he talk, I go know him. You feel so? If my sister talk, I didn't know her. Who not be my sister? If he talk, I go know her. You feel the vibes? So all those people when they bring the comments where I don't know where to go bring the come. That one is your cup of tea. And secondly, Abieyuwa don't know my house. Abieyuwa don't know whether I build house unless I use my tell us say I build house. You understand? So the person where he sees house, now my go and I go play the record right now. The conversation between me and my go, I go play them. So I'm gonna share this with me the whole world listen. It's very, very important. So if Abieyuwa and my go they have connection, it's not my business. I don't have issue concerning house with Abieyuwa. That's the truth. The house receipt and everything, the house documents, everything is with me on phone. But the real paper is with Iyego. And also we Abieyuwa name there. Now Vera Osazuwa and my name. Now I did that place. Now I did that document. Period. But inside there, so that same house, as I talk so, I see the repeat times that number. I don't dash that house, give Iyego, not be Abieyuwa. I don't dash Iyego. Since Iyego, nothing built flats. The old school upstairs we use 20-something years built. After I don't do a shovel for Sardinia tire. You don't do it for many years for Sardinia. It not fit blow. It still marry, drop pusher. It not still blow. After all these things, it still they use charge benefits, but anyway they give up for Germany. Take complete upstairs. You understand? So since you see young boy, where I day body, where he see say he build a house, nourish up to 6 months, not for 2-3 flat for ground. Now the flat 9 day I may not go down family days. I dash on the house. But mind you, that same dash where I dash you so. Now so I still go beat you. Use and take build another one. It's very simple. No two things about it. When I listen to, as I dash you the house so, now so I go still disgrace you. Use you to build another house. Basta. That one there. Now, for the Abieyuwa way inside, all your audios and my audios now go to play. Maybe here way. I don't know what do you. Since you say you be mad person, your family don't say, oh, me here now here, make me where you make me. Make I start to play this audio small small. I see the hot. Also they chop the audio small small. Small small. Small small. Small small. Me have to play Iyego concerning the house. When I call Iyego, because Iyego is a recorder, so I was also recording her too. You understand? She was mind you, my people wanna listen. For the past 4 months, 8 months, no. Since when me and Abieyuwa get issue, when this Mumu boy Don Mumu, more than 4 months ago, or 5 months ago, now the Mumu they talk say, my house for Lagos don't season. My house for Lagos don't season. More than 5 months ago. Immediately as I got married, I didn't know them. I know they send. For real, I not really they send them because they're not rich. Now who rich, now they send. Even up to now, I not still send the Mumu because you're not rich. The only punishment I will give the Mumu, I don't already give, I don't leave her. That's the truth. Now, so you go cry, make noise, tire for Facebook. As I know why they dash money, so that's not going to dash money. But say when you use Facebook, when you see Facebook money chop, you don't go see a chop. Now you punishment with that one. You make Facebook here. Oh, what I tell you to it. But that way, no day. No day. Ni ami kinagi. No day. Na mami kinagi uwe. Okay, what? Man, bless me.
Hello. Hello, doctor. Hello. Hello.
Sunday, oh, Malibaga. It's Sunday, oh, Malibaga. Sunday, oh. Now, don't have to find the audio. Sunday, oh. On Sunday, now we'll do that video, that voice call. This is Abieyuwa on. It's Sunday, oh. When I share the video, while I
Talk. Okay. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. No. Sir.
this is Iego talking now. Now me actually talk so on Sunday when I call and ask her for my house documents. So make we hear what she talk. You know understand me now? Because she's back to that voice house now keep mute. Like saying no what they happen. They do evil for inside a room there where government give them. If they inside a duro room there, they do evil. They see the picture where they send out, they send my children picture out. You understand? So we will listen to them, our conversation about this house documents issue. So when I sit down, when I share this video, when I make everybody here, I go play them.
Okay. Yeah. You know how you call you well. For the past, what do you know most in Okina? The kids here, the beaster. And we call the message here, the spoon. Yes, sir. Was it not that I will do that. Not send $1 million gear. Not even a way, none of the people were now fancy legal. No, it is there. I'll give you feedback. Now you call it, you call it a pick. No, I feel maybe just busy. I have bosses then. Up to now. Yeah, go message you give my response. My pick a call then. You understand? Because I think your theory equal. No people a bit the house, no violin. We cannot get you know what it's here. I think your theory equal, no bit a bit the house in there. Okay. You know, your mama come, man. And now, okay, it's you. Okay.
Oh, we ain't marry him, because you must show in Nigeria. Iye go ne gwi no we o tin we no bo wa ko we o no we ya ko we o we ain't marry in Nigeria. We must show in Nigeria. O we because you marry him, mo na dey listen to the record o wa down ho o ho na hu danage e vera no yo sazuwa no sun we de boro wa do adam ho e na hu da eso wa o maita o segene wa ya bi ho in social media na e mi paro na ya mu le we no igual original awe yo we ni mota you understand now ina ha ma what you ere endurance no mare meriados ne ye gote o no mu meriados ne meriados mu la webo iya yi gege meriados ro ma gba iye go na record meriados mo la gbe meriados live video ba ego na we ze endurance me ari go ya endurance account you know where give me estimates endurance aye club or ye club endurance win na be ko igo na endurance ya ari rai igo mo ya live igo ti yego me ma send as anything we do and snap and send that for me video send that for me now where they work now where they chop I mean they call and workshop because if you me come while you're burning your ball in na you go ya we negbiyan the trust was no longer there oh what na lavian the same of ona ye go na me na e ka get me ni je le u me iye go na we ni e wo ye go na we yan wa fi to me ya wa mi go no tinye wa abo e ke me ni e le wo yo tinye wa the trustworthy ina we ma tara we me he ona gele fie 30 by 120 men anagbo the city yo igual wa wo se ke ya ria 14 ladian endurance amufo Abieyuwa oh account 14 ni ga pin down any money really make account 14 yi anybody want to send me money to Nigeria money account 14 ga ri yi Abieyuwa no de bienwe or de pure water no we be ye denwe Abieyuwa na ye 5 wa le home record na Abieyuwa ita here social media where ti ye 5 million me daji ona wu ye 5 million me ina we ka me ye go we Abieyuwa ye 5 million me ona wo we si the same ye go no hu dana ona we gun we kon Abieyuwa o na hana ma Abieyuwa my small friend uwe 5 million on yame ina di mote 2 million o tinye go we wa dan he ya ojo ban wa tota na ko akalo ni yota me we dey listen wa dan ho what you Nigeria?
Yeah, me boy, man. Oh, boy. Oh, I want to go to men on my wood because we to do to me. So I go to men. I say, we fear we have to do to me. So I go to men. Look at the alcohol. They no back here. No, you know, if you pay why. You might go to them. Some of the people been there. We do to. You want to go where? Unu gbadu to boy. Unu to de boy.
Thank you, what do but one go to menu or more pan we have.
Ya no what unu sit to go, unu sit to go.
Then you have time when I so what you doctor will be there go no we so but when my doctor go marry go me well we let doctor be marry go ni where your more pan we never for you.
The first half plus no jamais. That one is the first one. Again, the dog Joyce. This was not me. Are you ready?
Why are you? I want to start me friends.
Well. No one. No one. Wada we ho. Igi na ye go we ye ya mi bo wa na he siso tun ne bo wa gwe o we ire Nigeria. Iye go na change e. Always see me tell social media getting me do to obi yen. O to ni yen jani me na wetin me de. No make I dey use pidgin English. Make una we dey hear English for the hear wetin dey happen. This woman wear but the guy will be like a little prego for such trade. So this woman now go ask her and say, I want to see my house document. Where they with in junior brother where they help you to build house. He can't tell me now, say, in brother don't travel, you not the Nigeria again, you don't jackma. Say, now okay, if your brother don't jackma, I want to see my house document. He said, me not go see my house document, say, the house, the land when me build that house, say, in that's me the land. Say, me come media, me come to somebody that talk say, me buy land. So if true say, me really buy land, he not collect money from my house. So let me come pay the money. Now repeat that say, you say what how many times I want buy land for your hand? I don't buy land, how you can't write receipt for me? The receipt was even written, not be even sure. Now the community we have to get the house. Now give me land, the receipt. Now give me the receipt. I can't wonder when this one they change that for me because me not hear for information for the past 4 to 5 months ago say this woman don't seize that land. The same Abieyuwa, this woman don't manipulate Abieyuwa, don't carry Abieyuwa give him brother. For the past how many months now they hear that. When the issue between this same woman and Meriedos Bollocks, Meriedos categorically told me, say this woman, that Abieyuwa of my ex-girlfriend, so now I call the friend in husband now. He want carry husband enter America. Now what in this woman with in brother they cook with that one. You cannot hide it for God. Hey whoa, you cannot hide it for God. You may cover your sin that nobody may know. Chimo, you cannot hide it for God. I don't want drink. How are you? You see all these frustrated women where come and broke do a shower, so especially this one. Where not fit carry any of his siblings enter abroad. After enough a shower, what she do for Sagayan, none of his family if he carry enter abroad. Look at about Obaze where call you yes, where call you never so many days. His mama don't enter. His mama don't enter. Now they go say they don't make money, they don't touch money. What have you achieved with the money? The full estate where they talk so, you not reach $1 million. Now let's listen to her as she rant. When I hear her. What do here go? Here, I pray, I rush here.
Right, Josh.
Yeah.
Okay.
The second one.
The second one,
The second one to double where?
They ask me, it's a couple of
Second one daughter of women. Una where 600. I mean
400.
because
When I was daughter of women, when your husband were everybody, who want to daughter of your husband were everybody. Who are the daughter of women?
give me a daughter of where? The first one was Jeanne. The second one the pay.
I will get something.
You go mad over where? The last particular plot no money is the big. You will go extend there, you buy. Even not even no money, not even with no money. Where? You know, posse.
The c'est connu woman.
The second plot is better.
Yes. Yes. Is that because my wife is Sultan? Then I come on the next day and say, yes, I support my wife 100% for insulting this useless woman. Iye go do when I zuo me zuo. Do when I love other from where or working men, I love my wife. And I'm 100% in support of my wife. What do you? 100% in support of my wife. How dare you? Oh, go where? You go insult my wife? Then you don't do ask nobody anywhere. Ah, what pay you? What bo? Oh, what no bowa? What bo here lawe? Where you go? Bowa you want? Oh, I'm more in my back. Who da what is daughter obawe? Ebo from me got one. Ina huarewe. You still so low we go. Who ranu? Who hammer we? Oh, I'm muhewe. Uhewe ham many au. Do it when I. Uhe kita. Uhe na get say papa. Uhe no go say wodo. Uhe na bodo. Oh, when we be able na work back. Not be your to kill your first husband. You go. Not be your pekus kill your first husband. You don't fear. You said it. Make me quiet. May I watch you insult my wife for social media. You are a mad woman. If you don't love your husband, you see my wife, so I don't even follow person play. Iya gumaku. Inya ma aguna ra hogbo. Ohono ra dede, I value and pass no get. If you don't make it know, you are an idiot. If I bohina la wegbe. Well, I working met your born where because of that one, but not support working men, but because of my sister Bowa. When I see the Bowa, man, my sister, a Bowa ni me jadu winning, but here I do a boy like you. If you are boy, you know, you are a billion. Mota. If I bohina la wegbe. Oh, we are working me at you where? Oh, we are working me at you where? When I am well, cook for the way. You want to use my wife to compare you? You will not get sense. As Italy not get rich, you see some of my wrong for Italy. Wrong leave my wife to Italy, go for them, say what up, Aduro. You were hot Catasogeno. Use Catasogeno with children with Catasogeno. Go you and stay for Aduro for them for 8 years. Abandon your husband for Italy. They advise who gets sense past you. Abandon the man when people say he make you who you be today. The man will make you who you be. You are abandoned for Roma. Go to chip Aduro for Germany. Yeah. Wow, nyanga. Ask her what you do for Sajana. What you should do? Be again with Sajana. Why you? Ekere nguna na ya bi okawo. Ekere nguna na ya bi pogiva. Pray we no dey work. Ibon 1, Ibon 2, Ibon 3, Ibon 4. It no dey work. Now you dey pass small boys. Now you can't say the prick no dey work. What down yo? Want to listen? We'll continue the audio.
Since then, we don't know what can. Why now? Where we don't know that? What can social media? I'm working there. I'm working
How many times have you insulted my wife on this social media? Before my wife provoked the other day, insult you, insult your generation. How many times you don't own your stupid live video, your dead platform? You don't use to insult my wife. You and Monica get issue. You come out on social media, you will insult my wife. See my wife not come join you, the saga Monica. How dare you? How dare you? You come out, you called me. You carry phone. You don't even fear. You carry phone, you call me. Say, Monica, they praise my wife. You call me that was on the 24th, on the 23. Last 2 months. On the 23 of last 2 months, you called me. You said, Monica, they praise my wife. Monica praise Okime. Okime is a GPC. So my wife na GPC. I told you, say, remove your mouth, my wife matter. I will come GPC. My wife not get anybody my wife hate for social media. You not get anybody when my wife hates. Leave my wife alone. You know the shame. At your old age, you don't use 52 years, set on to single mother. Oh, hen na munich bay. Udere boom, ona is was of Geneva. Udere boom, ona is was of Adroa. After many years. Very document the German guy. Eva Yadia Droa, madam. You see that salon. Eba veni my way. And you get ready for me because what? I go too busy for this media. Now me talk. Oh, you ma work with media. Look me where. I not be active. Thank God say you know me. I not be active. I go to use you. When you know, you don't go. What time away? A life dinner time now. Go. Give your lawyer brother. Me the top for grant. You understand me now? Ya time of lawyer will not win. Lawyer will not win. You be a koko. Your school. No, you be a sponsor your school. I shall go to my school. No special graduates. I know my drink. There's someone around. Oh, but what about suffer? The man go prison. Leave you for house. You go carry a go. You go give person the hole. You're going to sleep to Igbo. You're going to sleep to Igbo. All your secrets for Roma, I'll come narrate all of them. Give you. Here go. Ada where na? Ake kengari. Uya awebo. Wada we ho. Na small with the chop on. God, the God will punish you. See, I can't even day the city where you did. Said na Roma you for command enter Germany, and another Roma na me day. A secret where you have a yarum a pan pump. All of them my pa. Everything where you do for Roma, you dey here. You go na money. You mama go na money. You mama go na money. You go na money. Who give you that name? Who give you that title? Who make you get that name? Where is the man today? Where is the man today? You said the man picking on the work again, you abandon him. I'm going to top right price. Then you found that boyfriend. You what you do? Hear on. If pick up the and see, Mommy, you are shouting too loud. You are shouting too loud. Now, small thing I can ask him how I want to see my house document. It turned out to problem. Because I say my wife is shut out. So as my wife is shut you, I can't beat my wife for you. You are a mad woman. You are a bloody civilian. Who say you don't go with me? I can't beat my wife for you. Just like this stupid like you. I just want to make it not get sense. I can never. You have me, I can't beat my wife for you. I saw the video, I watched my wife's video, I watched your video. I was so happy to see say yes. Now woman now married. As I watched my wife's video, I watched your own video when you were insulting my wife and I. When I watched my wife's video, I give her a kiss. I give her a kiss. I carry a tablet. I give her to where I say my wife, now woman you be. Now woman now married. I not marry an idiot. I not marry a weakling. I marry a woman with get sense. He know when to react and when not to react. He reacts well. He beats you well. And the funny part thing the thing sweets me. He beats you well down. Not just the beating. The truth about you, now I tell you. Not just the insult, but the truth about you, now I tell you. Go and repair your home and be a stupid woman. Go and repair your home. It's never too late. When this man gets, you they call him Papa Ego, Papa Ego, Papa Ego. You they use the name they follow up. Igbo Union Association, Biafra Association. You they use the name they follow up. When the third leg not going to function normally again, you they abandon them. All the sweat where you and this man sweat, you want to go find that man and want to follow you the chopper. You want to go find that man and want to follow you the chopper. Babola wegbi. Bileto prego. Buongiorno. Papa vore. Ciao. Wa gia. Dame yegwe.
If you go la wa, o ma get boyo kove. O ma get boyo kove. O ke woni tu o fi pege o kave. E woni fi pege o kave. E di mi vision. E di o kave mu hegbe kian. Wọ́n ṣe lọ́sọ̀ sí mi rẹ̀. You go to me. O fe bo wa we mi ni wa we ya wu. Okay, I go to one. So bari whatever want there. Let ala. Si ma do to bo na bo wa to. Na bo wa to we. Me gbe che ni e ba se. Me ma do to bo na bo wa to we. When I say e hu ni me denu we, o ya ro ye le social media. E wo re o se ke de wa le bu do me. O ke be na ro ye re ko. Iro we na ro ye re ko. Ile ni yo to wa ya we. We go ri ni ha. You go come there. Wa ri go. Ile o go to. Ile o go to. Okay. Ito to bo we.
Nayara. Now, let's go to after we don't end the call. The record will play for each other. Are we married or being abi? No. Are we married or being? Nothing will go hide. He will bring everything come out. She can't go to delete all those things which is on me, all those documents which is she can't go to delete them. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go to you know you delete it. Me do show as evidence. Beka, ina get kwa, na gozo. Gozo. Are we man not obiyan? This is the house document. And the house document be this one. We shall post this thing. I go edit and post them. Never to edit and self. What is this young? No, I'm not gonna post this one now. Then I leave this one. Then I will show you the receipts of the land. The land we say I not buy, so I'll show you the receipts. On why you change the documents in Nigeria. I've been waiting you, but no good my phone. When I was giving you guys money, the receipt was here, still here with me. What do I do with how? When I share this video, maybe you go here on. I want is worry when you are as well. Maybe I say, Abieyuwa when I why I pay them and all record them of your give one why I with like saga. That's my business. My concern my guy. Make boogie time. We move. Abieyuwa no we na hina. Ya mo we na ladian. In piquant se carré piqué comment. Même me ça gala ma so won ma gbowo yo. And go bloody. Na me tell no. Be you go kaka bo wa mo gbe. You go collect my hand woto. No be joke. It is good to go on here while you no be so should be man. Because you are useless no. The man get we not me not do talk we me not lock up in way nonsense we got apart from system social media. Now because you sell land for me, now make me quiet for you all this while. As you dey create for social media, as you dey use your husband they play game for social media, you dey look at you laugh. Oh, come here, we going mountain. We going mountain. We forget on. Get why? Wait, get why? Some be get why. Leave my go. Leave on. I don't want to talk. But I'm not tired. Going. Ibun. Where? You come for live video content the world. The reason why you pursue your husband, not maybe because of that. All those people you come for live video, and they come analyze those videos again. You never see anything. You go regret the day where you open that your gutter and say you seize my house. This one at the house, this one at the brother when they build the house. This one at the mud block. This one at the mud block. This one at the mud block. And whether they mold block with this one, or not they watch out, whether they mold the block of the house, now be this. I mean, if you don't deal it here, you don't be phone 247 from the beginning of the foundation here. Here you don't be phone. This one fence. I come and say this plot too small. I want to extend down. Come on, land. I can't buy that one. I can't pay that one. Now this is my brother account. Now still put the money. No, who done that way? They might pay me. You are a mad woman. See ya. See where they dig foundation. This is the one that where they dig the foundation. When they dig the foundation of the 3 flats, I be this. I go to show now small. You can look about doing my way at home. And now dig the foundation on him. Foundation is big now. Hello? Oh. Yeah. All right. Thank you. You see this foundation now? This foundation now, when they dig this foundation, so me and Abieyuwa will never be friends. We never be friends each other. When they dig this foundation, so me and Abieyuwa will never be friends each other. When they feel me so, when they start to dig the foundation, me and Abieyuwa, we never know each other. I think the Germany. Am I a friend though? When I listen, no, you gonna do a zoo of life video now. Maybe when I'm you away, I see the ass, you see my ass, you. Oh, we were telling you, me and friend know you were, or Bojuku, away ye, who knew we were number 1 to number 100. But in case of him now, I ask one strong because he had with you, that's the truth. Any insult from my siblings, I'm taking it. If we are going, when Abieyuwa, the family working on politics. Could not be working on fire. That's the watch. As one said to know, I will not know the house. My baby, my head bill. My baby, my head bill. And they see, they work for the house. After digging, they started the sets. See, they work for the house. That's see, wait me and block that comment. If I not block that comment, wait me again. Got that? And if I block you, you can come and say I block me, I'll put you, I'll go kill your man. Understand? For national peace to reign. Now, this one a tank. This tank not my goal. Borehole square na misty bad borehole machine for that compound. Na me buy borehole machine. The borehole bless na she dig the borehole. The machine on the work. I me buy the borehole machine. On in abo the four. See the house, don't they go up. Now when one do roofing, I be one support. Why we about job? I be one support. Why down the hole? Now they ask me this one. And they ask me this one. This one I want to go. They go buy wood. But they want to do parapets for the house before roofing. This one I want to do nite. Where you do nite? I got to show them one after the other. I will tell them now. And now I will this motor no more the real. So na rod. The rod don't have nite. Here go where mo nyagwa ge. Nyo nyagwa. Awe ma do to bien. Oh, we might not be a guy. Here, you told me. Wow, soon. Now, you see, I'm not buying land for a hand. Now, this is the receipt of the land where I buy from my go hand. First one I read. This is a Ogundele family. The family will get that plot of land. We get that Everon. The same place when they call Esther. Now, group of family they get that Everon. And they get that and they put for that place. And then they sell the land. The family of Ogundele family. The Ogundele family. Onilogbo village. Udo Ota local government area. Ogun State. Ogun State. Land receipts. I go first zoom this one. I go zoom this one. This one are land. Land receipt. Now see how. By Mr. Blah 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 blah. Me I show now the money. I go show now the money. See now. 400K. Iye go mi ma pay go niye. Ogun mi ma do to obiyen. Ogun mi ma do to obiyen o. See my son picture where my go send go give her Becky. This is my boy. 2022. This all these things where they turn us now. 2022. Now this one happen now his birthday this one. September 1st. On his birthday 2022. Now my go now send this picture give. I mean when I go get this picture. Iye go the picture now. You dey feel me? Now, after that conversation, when he say, me not fit beat my wife for him, me go support my wife. I can't wear the clothes wey so for me. The agbada wey so for me, can't wear the clothes. Blah blah blah. Ah, provoke.
Hello, you go. When you go voice record in Namu, you understand?
Yeah, move speaker. When I hear.
One away, I'm they desperate in it.
They listen.
Hello, you go. When you go voice record in Namu, you understand? One away, I'm they desperate in it. One they desperate in it. It's my disgrace or you end the last.
Exactly.
Shame my disgrace.
When somebody is too desperate for something, you end up with shame and disgrace. Because you never get on. Now be waiting happen to you so. Now be waiting happen to you go and the brother so. Desperation. Desperado people. You want to carry your brother into by fire by force.
Yeah. You end the last.
Shame and disgrace.
Now, every yanu ya etimae.
Okay.
Yanu we ule game. Ko ge no tale le make ya. Ni ma ero ya se gba Abieyuwa. Ya say the stage no Abieyuwa dey by now. Ni ma eru we what you ni hunwa. When I tell Ugujo to me, give my daughter. When I'm young, waiting 2 million me yard motor not you wear. If motor go buy it, they're not you for the years we carry away Buma. Or my taking 1 minute no he had the 2 billion at motor not one. We buy it on you. Who me? Essen when you may where send where you may.
Of course.
Essen me who where or send him where even way or send where you may. Igimen way, you go, Igimen way. My money where you don't shop, it passes the one you say you do for me. My sister, Mama one eh? If you don't have bad, I like Bonaka, you do. Moitamu wena, if you don't, they send that family way. If you know bow Tony, physically and spiritually, as then where any, yeah, hammer where all where a balabalano. Koimoto Kosono Tony. If I not get my land, get my house. If you know, Baba, I rag Bonaka where they go, just the way for me.
My baby no come here. 2 million. One of our buck we got pay them every month.
Yeramu.
Who got pay go not every month? No, ya bo work away.
Yeram.
You go compare one of our buck we got pay them. What I go where to demote 2 million. 1 year gonna ya demoto. 5 million Abieyuwa no when no gonna ya we be not die when no do ya all of your boy you wear the 2 million demoto because you work on about one way. No ga you we here. No ya pay no ya fia we go man you go no ngare me no ya pay as agent. All not demoto ni.
Na ya wetin talk. Owe date me ga pay otin no ya abo wa kemea. You understand? Owe igo na Abieyuwa me ni ya we be. E me na 2 million we ina ya di moto no tin as agents. No ya akyan. Now all these are plans. Ni a plan VK because ni I go fuck ya la diando spark. E me ni here ta. E draft ni a draft you to. E woman a jo to me. You to go volunteer when not tin do a boat on the heaven. Not tin do boat on me. Na Shiba say volunteer. Send the brother, me brother build the land. Now instead say brother say see where you go cut for him. See where you go cut for him. Because of that, I started building. And the same money they go to give brother. Me mas wan bo wane or tinwe make dimoto not we. That's the question. Now you hear what it say. Because we can regbe. No me ya here or not dimoto. That's to let you know say we don't already build for the land. We don't build the house before I back up. Before I pay what dash me 5 million. See we oh genu ta no ko ya de yo no we ayo sisi fie gbo we he here go with the lie. You understand? And at the end of the day I end up just imagine away one year go e go na Abieyuwa janwe e go na Abieyuwa jani me e mo nyago e go na Abieyuwa jani go na jani me na di moto no tunwe we with 2 million we na do aha me we o to no we 400,000. You get me de obuwe. You get we jani me wo we se ni me. Me na ye 2 million ya di moto no tinwe. We na we 400,000 we ya to ni go to wo we se ni me. Let's minus 400,000 from 2 million naira. Awe se negbe. Iye go no zuwa. You said that I bought a car for your brother for 2 million naira. And you dashed me a plot of land for 400,000. Now let's minus 400,000 from 2 million. Who need to balance each other? Iego. Who need to balance each other? Don't you balance it? I'm not talking about the flexi where your brother use my money, the flex. The party where your brother use my money, they go. The doings where your brother use my money, they do. I don't care. I don't want to talk about that one. Because now me give her that rule, say, guy. Now where the word the church, don't work for me. Money go to your account. You go say you not get money for take back fuel for your car. For your car, movements. You understand? But if I say do this work, make sure that work is being done. That's the principle. If you 20 million account well, win 2 million, you look at your well. A problem report. We not successfully. He did that way to get away. Basta. Because they logo, but we are not everybody aware. You never told me where your brother is an agent. So this is how much I'm going to be paying your brother or a boy for next standard. Unto say that you dash me 30 by 120. Now I make you say, may your brother they work for the land. As money they come, your brother they shop for inside. Alongside with and his friends. And the read comment to you. If any of your comment misbehave, I will block you. Don't forget. Ciao. Now, what now here go? I be voice record again. Cause you just be voice record. Yeah, bogo.
One year born where? Who will pay you go there? Who got them or you going to get in every month? I be agreement to one away. No, you going to get Dimotoni. You going to get penny. You going to 1 year hope. And 5 million of them warrior who go now the 2 million way.
Away, I be agreement one. No, you going to pay me. 1 year go. On the hill. Me a drunk go back.
Who will pay you go there? Who got them or you going to get in every month? I be agreement to one away. No, you going to get Dimotoni. You going to get penny. You going to 1 year hope. And 5 million of them warrior who go now the 2 million when now all run of the bojuku. Hey, when I'm on no yard then. We have 2 million with 5 million of them warrior no yard Dimoto. 3 million okay, you can work. My brother told you now. This is where I will not log away now because.
Yes, but people agree to all better style. Or who weigh 5 million Abieyuwa me. Ina ye 3 million, ina ya kanwa. Ina ye 2 million di moto no tion. Il listen to Abieyuwa when you bo wani analyze the video when you marry the boto. Abieyuwa agent. I don't give a heck with all of them. When they talk trash. Because we are Zua. Mona say we are marry the boto. Wani Zua, ya you wa down here you go wagwan. Or you turn on read bele, you go hide. Now you need because in the error. You fear being away. You gonna be wajadi me na di moto no 2 with 2 million. In a 3 million account. Then you are told here. I wrote my house when I was in Italy. I bought a car for your brother when I was still in Deutschland with a massive surprise. Hey God, don't bust. Voila. Why can you go to hell? Baba with a smile. In a Dimoto not without the brother knowing. Now he want to say here on this record away, it was a plan work between me and his brother that Dimoto niya compensating him for building a house for me. That is the plan. Without knowing what happened, we have to worry. You have that way go. Now, when I bought a car for this guy, the guy was shortalized. He was flabbergasted. Oh God, hey God, it almost. Then I go look for. Immediately I bought car for this man. He shocked. The thing shook him. Waiting his sister, wait, they are broke for many years. Nothing do for him. I do one. The boy run enter studio. He used me to sing. Me, I go look for the sing. The sing did my YouTube. The song did my YouTube. Many of them, when they follow me, now go know the song where I talk so. I they play the song sometimes that year. When you sing that song for me. Me, I find out where I go see him. Because I don't delete penalties to my phone. Because this photo can load I see him. When hold on. Let's play the song. This is when I bought the car. Here you go. We like by you. From Vito, this your program, they make me the jolly. From Vito, this your program, they make me the jolly. From Vito. Don't bustle. I don't feel laugh on this social media. And I never see anything. Hey, voila. Voila, be like, look at this verse. You go trek. I hear you go below you. This your jacker go turn to suit too. Bombodiga. You never see anything. Now, this is when I bought this car for this man. Unexpectedly, without him even know. I cannot say Alpha collect money. That 5M will do your cancel. Collect 20 pay for that car now your own. Use your name, your document, use and register that car. Use and register. Ebagua drive. I'm say the or say not drive motor near the company. Gonna keep your company. On your way na your drive here. This stupid woman here, you see here, was so happy. She was so fucking then happy. Because for years I might take the motor by Kekan. Nothing you got fee. No, do I make you a live video? Or you want banana? If you don't dress good, viens, makasa ou viens you viens joy. Or we don't get 10 years. You go. You get mama ego na mugu. Mama ego na poverty. Or wait till me yi moto ya set or tinye no tinye ya bo wa kemi. You made the phone bill the me ya you go me ya after the got one. Now I calculated the worth of that house as we speak now. Compared to the money you go me say the got one. When I was going for peace to reign. For peace to reign, for me not to talk, for me not to do say I too smart, I too know. Now we not go so in the way. Otona you go me now we not go so in the way. Now na do how obira me vije video e go yo e ko doni ya do akon general way Frank again man. Na Frank not come good. You do a shower you not make him. You deal with husband house you not make him. The man before you enter that man life he dey ball for Roma. Tony Embassy, Tonaro, Tony Embassy. Everybody know him for Roma. You enter the man life, you frustrate the man. You frustrate the man. At the end of the day, you run, you go Germany. The house where the man gets, they quit the house, quit. When I call the squad from one place. How can a man where they live for 3 bedroom before is not squatting with somebody for apartment? He can't rent one room for apartment. Don't even pay. Now you they from Germany, they pay in house rents. You go there, now you they from Germany, they pay the man house rents. Even your own daughter, where they work for Germany, they you say the daughter they give her money again. You stop your daughter from selling the father's money. A lot of atrocity you've done. I kept quiet. Because you have bad land for your hand. You